Hey guys, Michael here from michaelsherlock.com. I want to talk to you today about the rumored Google tablet. Speculation is swirling today about some different analysts and people speculating that Google is going to be releasing their own tablet. One running Android, but not manufactured, by a third party. One that would be a pure Android experience. Now, these rumors all go back to a quote made by Google chairman Schmidt in December of 2011, where he said, "In the next 6 months, we plan to market a tablet of the highest quality." Now, this is definitely not a solid answer, because that could easily mean that they're working on a tablet, that they're going to start requiring some of their third-party manufacturers to offer pure Android experiences. But it definitely gives weight to rumors that suggest a Google-backed Android tablet is in the works. Now, what the rumors are saying today is that this is going to be a 7-inch tablet with a 1280 by 800 pixel display running Android 4.0 Ice Cream Sandwich at an extremely aggressive price point of $199, going right up against the Kindle Fire, which has seen significant sales over the holiday season, as well as the new Nook that has been dropped to $199. The rumors are saying that production is going to start in April for a Q2 launch. So this would be going right head-to-head with the upcoming iPad 3 and, of course, a myriad of other tablets from third-party manufacturers. Now, what makes this tablet interesting is that it would be like the Galaxy Nexus that Google worked on with Samsung. It would be a pure ice cream sandwich, interface. There would be no skins, no add-ons, no crapware. It would be the pure experience that Google coders and developers have been working on from the beginning. Also, what would be cool about this is it would offer more frequent software updates, because there's no skins, there's no add-ons that have to be updated and rewritten for the new architecture. It would just be the pure Android experience, so when a new update is available, it can be pushed right to devices for a pure software update. And of course, that offers better performance as well, because everything would be optimized for that particular hardware, because Google's making the software and the hardware. It's interesting that this is kind of like the Apple model of selling both hardware and software, and Apple has clearly done very well with that. So it makes sense that Google would be going along with this. Now, what's interesting is Google recently purchased Motorola. That exchange finally went through. It's officially complete. So it would make sense now that if Google's the software operating side of this endeavor, Motorola would be the company making the hardware going along with it, because again, they're both owned by Google. It would be definitely an interesting experience, because, the Galaxy Nexus, the Nexus S, all those pure Android devices were some of the best on the market because they weren't bogged down with crapware. So a tablet like this would be quite interesting. Now, this would definitely put the hurt on third-party tablet vendors, HTC for instance, as well as Samsung, that are going ahead and trying to make tablets and putting their own skins on top. A pure experience would definitely improve, or would definitely hurt these competitors, because how can you compete with one company that's making the hardware and making the software? Now, I'm not saying Google is going to come out and stop licensing Android, but from a user interface and from a user enjoyment perspective, a company that is selling both the hardware and the software can make sure it works together and can make it much less buggy and much more user-friendly than any third party using someone else's software. Also, besides that, it's just very competitive at $200 for a pure Android experience, something that's going to be much more functional than, say, the Kindle Fire. For the same price, this is extremely competitive. And really, Apple's iPad has continued to be the top-selling tablet worldwide. The second was the Kindle Fire over the last quarter. Why was that? Because it's an extremely competitive price point. If we can now have a full Android experience at that same price point, it's going to be very hard for other companies to nibble away at market share by this proposed Nexus tablet and, of course, the Apple iPad. So I think this is an extremely interesting rumor. Again, there's not super, a super amount of weight behind this speculation, although, again, Schmidt did say that they're working on a tablet, or they plan to market a tablet of the highest quality within the next 6 months. Again, that was in December, so kind of a Q2 launch would make sense. I'd love to hear your feedback in the comment section below. Rumors aside, do you think Google offering a pure Android experience-based tablet would be good for the market, good for consumers? I'd love to see what you have to say. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day.